So 2 kilometers in 40 minutes. Here reach another hydration break. We'll be resting beneath this rock, and it's been flat trail, beautiful vista. You can see our guys coming. So 3 kilometers, again a resting point. You can see the trekkers coming, leisure walk. Absolutely a flat gradient and little warm under clear skies. Jai Ho. So 4 kilometers and we are taking a hydration break. In the name of hydration break, we are eating gathia, papdi. We got a lot of good juice. Wafers. And here comes Manjiri Oak. Iron Lady, Chetan Bhai, and the Evergreen, Jayo. Come on, Jayo. Lovely, man. So 4 kilometers, like 5 minutes break, and we are heading towards this direction. Okay, we'll be crossing this, entering some different valley, and let's see how it goes. Jai Ho. So we have reached another hydration break. A very small meadow, beautiful setting. Almost 5 kilometers done. The sun is showing its true colors, and beautiful little vista you can see behind. मजा येते चालायला. खूप अवघड असं नाही आहे, पण उन्हामुळे थोडासा त्रास होतोय. उन्हामुळे दमल्यासारखं वाटतं, पण अदरवाईज फेअरली गुड ग्रेडियंट, गुड वॉक, मजा. सो पाणी आणि थोडंसं काहीतरी चॉकलेट्स आणि एक छोटासा ब्रेक, आणि आपण भेटूया. ऑलमोस्ट 1:14 PM and come for a break, and I cross this mighty waterfall. We're going to remove our shoes and help us each other. River crossing, not river, it's actually a waterfall. Here he comes. Welcome, Patu. Here comes Patu. Welcome. So we are having pulao after crossing this waterfall. We are just, excited and hungry, and we are going to enjoy the food as well as the ambience. So guys, how's the Josh? मजा आया? Again, few of our trekkers are joining us. We'll be crossing the waterfall, and joining us for the lunch. Let me eat now. So, छान होता दिवस आजचा. मजा आली. पहिला दिवस हा नेहमी एक्साइटिंग असतो. आणि आम्हाला 6 ते 7 वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची फुलं, एक मशरूम, एक प्रोबॅबली हिमालयन स्क्विरल इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, फ्यू बर्ड्स अननेम्ड, आय डोंट नो. बर्डिंगसाठी काय आलो नाही मी. आणि एक सुंदर ही नदी आणि एक वेगवेगळे माउंटन्स ऑफ डिफरंट शेप्स अँड कलर्स अँड व्ह्यूज हे बघायला मिळाले आम्हाला. सो लोक आर रिलॅक्स्ड, फोटोग्राफी चालू आहे. आणि ॲक्च्युली आय वॉज रॉंग and we have to climb a flowing big river, you know, and it's quite cold water. It's almost thigh deep, and it's just look at this. What is happening? Wow! It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Look at their faces. Now look at their faces. Look at their faces. Look at Bapat. How was it, Patu? So finally, we have reached the lake, and बघायचं आहे. बघा. Beautiful, 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 beautiful glacial lake.
Which is this glacier? ये glacier कौन सा है?
Amazing. सो आम्ही थोडासा ब्रेक घेणार आहोत. तुम्ही बघाल इथे फ्लोटिंग ग्लेशियर्स आहेत. त्याच्या मागे एक माइटी ग्लेशियर येत आहे एक वेगळ्या पीकहून. समोर एक आणखीन एक ग्लेशियर दिसत आहे. आता आम्ही हा पूर्ण परिसर क्रॉस करणार आहोत टू रीच समवेअर, आय डोंट नो. आम्हाला एक ग्लेशियर वॉक करायचा आहे. इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ. ट्रॅकचा टफेस्ट पार्ट चालू आहे. आम्ही लूज बोल्डर्सवरनं आधी चढलो आणि मग उतरतोय. आणि आता ग्लेशियर्स क्रॉस करणार आहे. एंटायर लेक आम्ही ऑलमोस्ट क्रॉस केलेला आहे. घोड्यांना वाट देतोय. ते पुढे गेले की आमची चाल सुरू. ही चाल सुरू ही वाट दुरू. घोड्यांच्या शिवाय काय. पूर्ण रस्ता हा लूज बोल्डर्स आहेत. यू कॅन सी वाट अशी नाही आहे. कसंही जावं लागतं आहे. आमची टीम थांबले. समोर दिसत आहे लेकचा एक भाग आणि हे ग्लेशियर समोर दिसत आहे. सो बघूया पुढे काय होतं. We are on the glacier and look at that. It is amazing. So the glacier walk begins.
आगे मत जाना प्लीज सर.
नहीं. They're warning me not to go because you can see the crevices. We are going to take a tea break.
इसका कहना है जो लास्ट टाइम यहाँ पर रिसर्चर्स बैठे थे कि ये ग्लेशियर कभी भी टूट सकते हैं.
इसका कोई वो हिंदू में भी उसका आर्टिकल निकला था, मेरे पास है अभी उसका भी। इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है, ये कभी भी क्रैश हो सकता है। और हम अभी जिस पाए है ये पूरा उधर गिले।
These are the horses waiting, and we are going to have a sip of tea. The sun is out. Looks good. Cheers. Almost reach 3/4 of the climb to the summit. Very, very hard climb. Tired. We have to climb ऊपर. I don't know इसके पीछे क्या है, but इसके पीछे और थोड़ा सा हिल रहेगा. Then our summit of Lom Villard Pass will come. So हो गया क्या होता है? Okay. Ciao. So avalanche happening. See this. So anything can happen in the Himalayas.
किसको मिला?
जी ऑल इज वेल। बस ग्लेशियर वाला पोर्शन अभी खत्म हुआ एक।
फायनली आम्ही समिटला पोहोचलोय. वाव. आणि माझ्या समोर ते कालापरी लेक टू 14,400 फीटचं क्लाइंब. या सो संजू आमचे फोटो काढतोय. एव्हरीवन इज सॅटिस्फाईड. या सो जय हो. आता 10 मिनिट achievement है आपसे. जय हो. I pray to Lord Nature. So guys, we are almost about to reach our campsite at Pinji. But while approaching, what we saw is something unbelievable. Let's have a look. See this massive glacier. Now this runs as Bracken Glacier. Bracken means little black in color, and which goes down this way for kilometers. We are going to cross that glacier later tomorrow, but we are just flabbergasted with this view. It is just unbelievable. Finally, आम्ही after say walk of 11 hours on meadows, on glaciers, on boulders, on snow, on rocks, on scree, ascent, descent, endless, we are finally at the campsite of Pinji. And once in a lifetime moment one has to cherish. We are at the campsite, and look at that huge Bracken Glacier, and at the mouth of the glacier we are camping. नशीबवान आहोत टू से द लिस्ट. मी रात्रीची वाट बघतोय. आकाश क्लिअर. मिल्की वे आली की ग्लेशियर, मिल्की वे आणि टेंट्स एका फ्रेममध्ये मिळाले तर धमाल. भूक लागली, कूल डाऊन करायचं आहे. लोक वाट बघतायत. अँड आय एम गो. कॅम्पसाईटवरनं एक 20 फूट चढून आलोय. स्काय इज गेटिंग लिटल क्लिअर, अँड आय जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शो यू की हे ब्रॅकन ग्लेशियर हे इकडनं सुरू होतं आणि हे जवळजवळ एक 8 किलोमीटर हे पसरलेलं आहे. उद्या आम्ही याच ग्लेशियरवरती 8 किलोमीटर चालणार आहोत. सो इट इज माइंड बॉगलिंग. Good morning. 7:40. We are late by 10 minutes. And we are ready to descend now to the campsite of Kaintal. We are already in Kishtwar Valley. And the snowfall has started. It's dusky all over. Early morning it was, quite bright. Night I saw the Milky Way. There was tinge of blue in patches at 6:30 in the morning, and 7:40 the snowfall has started. That's Himalayas for you. So in another 15 minutes we'll start our journey. So till then we'll descend so it has started snowing heavily. We are gearing up to descend. We don't have an option, and hope that as we descend the snowfall will stop. To descend in the tough descent, snowfall all around, and going to reach the glacier. You can see the glacier. Let's see how it looks like. We reach the base of the glacier, and we are going to walk down this way. Zero visibility, and we have to walk the 8 kilometers on this glacier. Steep descent, snowfall still going on. Jai Ho. So we are walking on the glacier. I formed a queue because fresh snowfall can mask the crevasses. There is nothing but snow out here, and we have to walk like this for 8 kilometers. So thrilling, to say the least. Here we go. So midway, we are still on the glacier. You can see yaks and sheeps.
धर्मेंद्र आता ना अमिताभ दम लागतो
So we are at the end of the snow station and people are enjoying. Yeah.
हाँ आप कर सकते हो कवर इसको
And you can see the meadows of Kashmir, of Varwan. Such a contrast from desert to greenery. We'll be entering the Varwan Valley soon. But till then, I'm going to dance.
ठीक राइट ला खूबसूरत है.
Nice.
Tricky boulder section. There are plenty to go. So finally, after 10 hours of walk, we have reached our campsite. And little cooling down exercise going on. And we came from that side. And this is our beautiful campsite. Beautiful campsite of vast grasslands. Beautiful. We are now in Kishtwar Valley of Jammu, and I'll be joining them soon, so I'll take your leave. This is our warm up, and I'm also going to join. So guys, it's 12 noon and we have taken a hydration break in this immensely wonderful place between the campsite of Kaintal and Humpet. It's little siesta, little hydration, little munching, little rest, little jokes, little songs, and doing little time pass. Very, 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 very beautiful valley. Leisure walk now to reach our campsite at Humpet. Till then, we'll meet at the lunch break. Say cheese. So this is the trail just alongside the river, and hardly any foot to place. Balancing ourselves, a lovely walk. So we started our trek to Humpet, and it's a level walk with few humps of meadows. We have to climb and get down alongside this river, and therefore the campsite name is called Humpet. Now we are seeing lots and lots of marmots, and today and tomorrow we'll be seeing them in numbers. So enjoying the trail and enjoying the scene. So check out. It's around 1:30 p.m. and we are walking on overhangs. So these are overhangs and you can see the river alongside. Little tricky but enjoyable. We'll be taking a lunch break probably after an hour or so. Almost we have covered 60% and weather is giving a good company. So checking out, we'll meet at the lunch. Bye-bye.
जब कोई गिनता है रातों में तारे, सब जो से प्यार हो गया प्यारे,
खुशबाश में चली, थोड़ा सा हंसा के थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल ये जी जाने वाला है, ओ आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने. So post-prandial walk towards the base camp. Should not be that far away, but anyway we are prepared because the walk is gentle and beautiful. Beautiful rock formations similar in Ladakh and Spiti, and you can see gentle manicured clouds swiftly passing away from the clouds. So small stones, rivers, riverbed, broad riverbed, little hangovers, and us. See you at the campsite. So one more overhang along the riverside and changing landscape after every 5 kilometers. Another 1.5 hours to reach the campsite, and you can see the vista all over. And these are our energetic trekkers finding their ways out alongside the river on the overhangs. Meet you at the base camp. So after a brief hydration break, we are going to descend a little tougher section. You can see this. This is going to be the path here. Yeah, this path we are going to, descend. It's very narrow, hardly a feet of distance, and slow and steady. We are going to cross this traverse. There would be tree section all over there, and let's see. Check there. So after 2.5 hours, we have taken a hydration break at a place called Demur. So there is confluence of two rivers, one coming from the place where we were, and the front, which is a little clear bluish hue water, it's coming from Pahalgam side, and what a pretty sight it is. It's a vast open meadow, and people are taking rest. Our guys are playing cards, while my guys are munching their nashta, and you can see the forest section which has started. We came through this side. We'll be taking a small break of say 10-15 minutes, absorb the. So we have taken a break just for a lovely photography. We are entering the forest section first time after 5 days, And these guys are thrilled. Kaushal, Jan, Sanju, Yeti, Pattu, yoga teacher Milin, and Papat, and very young man are dashing. नाम बोलो जल्दी जोर से. Rachit. So we are on our last leg and last traverse till we reach the village of Sukhnai. So meet you at the lunch break. Bye bye. So it's 3:45. We've been walking for almost 10 hours, and the first sign of civilization, the small, say, village. Though the houses are not able to see, but you can see some cows grazing. We're going to climb this patch and hopefully see our campsite and the village nearby. So we'll meet you at the campsite. Till then, God, give me a little more strength to walk. Bye bye. So finally, lunch break. After 6 hours of walk, we almost reached the village of Sukhnai. And what a setting! What a setting! So people are relaxed. Sheila is having her food. She's not going to show her. And here is our gang and eating what it is, pulao.
Beach side.
Lovely. This is gajar pulao for the lunch and with an ambience. So I am too hungry and I'm going to.
Manchurian and chicken chili has been ordered. It's on its way.
Yeah, okay, great. Pattu, are you through? No, it's not going to have lunch. It's Sanjay. So finally, you can see this beautiful village, ancient old village called Sukhnai, and still we can't see the campsite yet. But see the village. It's almost 4:30, and I'm still walking. It's almost say 20 kilometers we have walked, probably. We've reached the village almost. With this turn, I think there should be a campsite. It's a extremely long walk. आणि जागा सुंदर. सनसेटच्या वेळेला मी तुम्हाला कॅम्पसाईट दाखवीन. तोपर्यंत अलविदा. So we are entering the village of Sukhnai, and beautiful bridge you can see. It's a Disney-like setting, a bridge across the river, and this beautiful village of Sukhnai we are going to enter. Lovely road. You can see our houseman. We'll meet exactly in the village. This I'd seen in Switzerland, and I'm shooting this in India. So it's 5 p.m. and we are exiting this beautiful village. Looks like a little rich village of Sukhnai. Lovely water flowing through, and it's crystal clear, you can see. So, overview of this beautiful village setting. I have reached our campsite, and within 2 minutes I'll be reaching my campsite. So till then, I say goodbye for the day. So I've reached the second village. I'll just find out the name and see this pretty bridge, wooden bridge across the river. I'm going to cross that, and I'll give you a live demo of how it looks like. Let's go.
प्रेम गली खोली नंबर 420.
My name is Anthony Gonsalves.
अभी अभी इसी जगह पे एक लड़की देखी है, हाँ देखी है.
काश्मीरी गव्हाची झोडणी होती इकडे. मला एकदम शेताची आठवण आली. आणि एक एंड ऑफ द सीझन. आता इकडे बर्फ पडायला सुरुवात होईल. आणि शेती आता. सो इट्स 8:20 AM, the very last day of our trek. We are at the village of Sukhnai, and we'll be covering 18 kilometers to reach the village Chaudhryman. Will be kind of a village hopping day today, with getting a view of beautiful scenery all around and exploring the Varvan Valley. So we are going to enter this valley gradually, and if you see, this were our campsite besides the river. And to be very frank, after quite a bit of long walk, we are at this beautiful village. I don't know the name yet, but see the spot. Everyone will fall in love with this small stream going on, and we are going to have lunch like how Sanju is having. It's dal khichdi for today, and it is just, the spot is just too good. Lovely. Beautiful small village, and I am too hungry. Bye-bye. So last 3 kilometers, we are on the top of the jeep. Only this was left.
मेरा बंदर डुएल. back.
So after 7 days of a hard trek, we completed the Varvan Valley trek. 90 odd kilometers in 7 days, climbing from 10,750 feet to the highest altitude of 14,400 feet, coming down to 9,000 feet in 7 days, crossing valleys, boulders, rivers, lakes, glaciers, braving snowfall, extreme cold weather, a lot of hardships, but we saw heaven. It was one of the most beautiful trek I have done in last 25 years. Everybody! मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किसी और चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी, वो बात क्या है बता। Everybody!